Many laser powder bed fusion parts are roughly cylindrical. Think like valve components or rocket engine components. So why do we make them in machines that are box-shaped and move in X and Y? I'm Pete Zelinski. I'm at the ASTM International Conference on Advanced Manufacturing. Michael Tucker of ETH Zurich gave a presentation on his group's platform that they developed. They call it the Rapture system, and it is a laser powder bed fusion system that moves cylindrically. A recoder moves continuously, think of it like the hand of a clock, continuous in a cylindrical path, while the laser scans in polar coordinates, not X and Y. The Rapture system has been presented at a previous ICAM. What's new this year is the discovery that continuous feed recoder is pretty ideal for multiple material builds. One build, two metals coming out of the recoder, and the mechanism they use to get to that is so simple. This moving element in the recoder changes the relative outlet sizes for two different hoppers of two different materials, and that movable member forms the barrier between those two metals being laid down. He showed sample parts that combine copper and Inconel in the same build, two materials that make a lot of sense together for rocket engine parts.